Igbo ndị ọma, Igbo ndị nje aha ha aba. Unu lanya n'aka m. Ihe m ji wu a drone, a package all the way from Maryland, USA. A brother of ours is supporting the Unified Igbos now with a drone, and also our upcoming project, the tracing the Igbo land access to ocean expedition that we propose sometime to embark on, to trace where our waterways to the Atlantic Ocean. And this drone is coming right on time for us to start up that expedition. And the name of this donor is His Excellency. I use that word. Yes. Ndi Benedict Ohanyerenwa. Yes, CEO Abuja International. CEO Abuja International. He is donating this particular drone for us for this project for the Unified Igbos now, so that we can be able to film, from the eagle's eyes, isn't it? Across the board. This is Mr. White. Mr. White. We'll keep supporting. We'll keep supporting. Thank you so much. We've been doing that. We've been doing that. This is it. This is a drone, new one. I'll be unwrapping it, and while unwrapping it, I'll still make a film about it so that you can see what we have here. So the Unified Igbos now is on top gear. We are not relenting. Yeah. This mission is to unify every Igbo people, every Igbo speaking people. Those in those states, which in Ohion local government area, the Banke and the Igwebe, all those areas, and also the entire Eka region, the Ukwane, the Anyoma region, which is the Nuani. All these people down to Ikwere, down to Oba, Echi, Ndoni. The Unified Igbos now is determined to unify all these people, even down to Cross River State, where we have the Sobo people, down to Kogi State, at Akpanya, where we have Igbo people. We are going to unify every person by the grace of God. Thank you. And I want you all, if you are in Maryland, please, if you are in Maryland, USA, patronize and keep patronizing the Abuja International. The Abuja International. There, in that supermarket, you will find all kinds of African food. Everything that you can buy in Lagos, in Aba, in Ariana, in Onitsha. You can buy it in Abuja International.
Yes,
Abuja.
In Abuja International food market, you have Caribbean kind of food, African, Spanish, and American.
Intercontinental. Baba mi, thank you. I really appreciate.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Ndi Igbo. I say Ndi Igbo ahụ nwe ananya but onye kwuru nke akwuru ashi. Ai ezigbo ashi ihe na. Ndi Igbo gwa ina. Thank you and God bless.